During the stressful end of the fiscal year with looming deadlines, encountering errors during financial closing can feel like a huge setback. Imagine a tool that not only streamlines the process, but also empowers you with knowledge and confidence for future closings. Meet Janet, a general ledger accountant who uses the AI-assisted error resolution in SAP Advanced Financial Closing to assist her in diagnosing and resolving these errors, turning a daunting task into a manageable one. In the Process Closing Tasks application, Janet can see one task, depreciation posting run, which has been completed with errors. In a typical scenario without AI, Janet does not necessarily have the expertise or clue how to fix it or whom to turn to in order to get it fixed. This can be time-consuming and error-prone. With AI, for each task in error, the system provides a step-by-step guidance to fix the error plus the option to quickly email the resolution to the expert in charge.